Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling a common question: can I sell Bitcoin for INR? If you've been wondering about this, stick around because we've got the answers for you in simple terms. Let's get started. So, can you sell Bitcoin for INR? Absolutely. Here's how you can do it in a few simple steps. Step 1. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. There are several exchanges in India that allow you to convert Bitcoin to INR. Popular options include, mention a few well-known exchanges. Look for one that suits your needs. Step 2. Sign up and verify your account. Most exchanges in India require you to go through a verification process known as Know Your Customer, KYC. This is to ensure the safety and legality of your transactions. Step 3. Link your bank account. To sell Bitcoin for INR, you'll need to connect your bank account to the exchange. This way, you can receive the money directly in your bank account. Step 4. Sell your Bitcoin. Once your account is set up and verified, it's time to sell your Bitcoin. Go to the Sell section on the exchange platform, enter the amount you want to sell, and confirm the transaction. Step 5. Withdraw your funds. After successfully selling your Bitcoin, you'll find the INR equivalent in your exchange account. Withdraw the funds to your linked bank account. And there you have it. Selling Bitcoin for INR is as simple as that. Just remember to choose a reliable exchange, complete the necessary verification, and link your bank account. Oh, and here's a bonus point. Bonus point: be aware of taxes. In India, cryptocurrency transactions may be subject to taxation. It's important to understand the tax regulations and consult with a tax professional if needed. That's a wrap for today. Selling Bitcoin for INR is totally possible, and by following these steps, you'll be on your way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.